Do you like it? It's good, right? Is it good? Do you like it? Yeah. It says yummy. Mm-hmm. mm. Mm-hmm. Yummy, yummy. We all want to ensure that what we are feeding our parrot is safe, including fruits. Not only is watermelon safe, parrots seem to really enjoy it, especially on a hot summer day. Watermelon also carries high levels of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which are all extremely beneficial for your parrot's overall health. The seeds from watermelon are also safe for your parrot to eat. In fact, they will most likely be the first thing that they pick at given the chance. Watermelon can be served in many ways, such as chopping it up into chunks, making it into a juice, or simply serving it to your bird yourself. I always remove the rind, which is the outer part of the watermelon. However, some owners may choose not to. If this is the case, be sure to fully wash the outside of the watermelon first, as it could have pesticides. Although watermelon is a great addition to your parrot's diet, it should only be given as a treat in moderation with preferably smaller amounts. With any fruit, vegetables, or foods that will spoil, it's always best to remove it after your bird is finished. And if ever in doubt when introducing your bird to new foods, always do your research first to be safe. Or better yet, ask your avian vet. Is it good? Do you like it? Do you approve of watermelon? Do you give it a thumbs up? What do you think? Is it a yes? Is it a yes? Yeah, it's a yes. Okay. Say bye, everybody. Have some watermelon. It's delicious and nutritious.